I behaved like a shopaholic. I already have a lot of books and a lot of books on my TBR, but I still shopped for some more because I was getting them at a discounted rate. So I'm just going to open this box in front of you and we'll see what books I've got because I almost forgot which ones I ordered. This is this huge box of books that I got. And sad. Just have to open it quick. all these books, they're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books cost me 1144 rupees. This is Jeffrey Archer, Jackie Collins, Mike Vinci, Veronica Henry, Rashid Kitbai, oh, this is a hardback. Check this out. And I'm so happy. All these books are from Liberty Books. There was a discount on all of them. So this one's original price is about $395. I think it cost me uh, 99 rupees. This one's original price is not sure how much, but it says 12 pounds, almost 13 pounds here. Okay, we'll come back to the price of this later on. The 7-year itch was probably 200. This is probably 200 as well. This one's for 117. This one is for 112. This one is for 97. This one is for 98, and this one is for 20 rupees. So pretty happy. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away because I am a book reader, and you can see these are all the books that I'm going to be reviewing in the future soon. And you definitely want to hear about the books, right? Because if you're on Books and Bites, you're probably a reader too. So I'll see you around. You subscribe. Bye-bye.